data products.
Yeah.
That's one of our hot industry buzzwords. So, what's your take on that?
I love data products, if you can really say that. But because when you think about, we've talked about data as the new oil, data is gold, data is this, data is that. I hate those. But what we're really ultimately talking about is the need to ensure that data can be used. So, data is a resource. It's actually a renewable resource because more people can use it, and you want to get to that. You want to get to the point where you've got data gravity, where people are excited to use it and new, applications and services and things are going to come to it. And it's by creating data products that you can really best do that. Quality data products, we can get into the data quality and we can get into all of the requirements that are underlying those data products. But really, if you look at the definition of product, it's something that will be used. You're going to create something for use. And so it's obviously a complicated shift in thinking within organizations, because ultimately you need to find out, who's going to be that product owner and what does that mean, and how do you listen to your customers that are downstream and capture their requirements. You might have multiple customers, so how do you coordinate different requirements and identify maybe, kind of the common requirements, kind of the least, kind of the foundational piece. You want to get to, maybe you can create a data product that meets, whatever it is, 80% of the requirements of, your potential customers, so that the incremental work that they need to complete them is less than if they were rebuilding a data product on their own. So the idea and the way I think about it is, kind of, if you move back upstream so that you get to the source, each source data source owner needs to be thinking about building blocks, creating data that comes from their sources, that are building blocks that can be aggregated and kind of that are components into other products downstream. So just like we think of the car industry or other industries, we're building components that can be assembled into a customer 360 or a product 360 or a supply chain, transparency, supply chain optimization tool, whatever the ultimate, end data product or, native data application might be. It should be ideally be built on a set of data products that are assembled into that final application or decision support tool, or whatever you want to call it, dashboard, tab, whatever you want to call it.